Morning guys, today I want to show you how to change the server IP for the device of Microlog Bio, which is handheld device, and another device is Ozone Bio, which is currently showing. Okay, in this process you can find out how to change the server IP and how to get the information about your server IP. So you need to first go to the F2 button, press F2. After that, password is asking. In this menu you have password is 1 2 3 3 3 4 5 and then press enter. After that, the menu is coming like a set global mode. In this menu you need to press 1. After pressing 1 password again come. In this password you need to provide 5 6 8 9 0 sorry 5 6 8 sorry again I need to press 1 and password is 5 6 8 9 0. Then the menu is come like a do system test, set date and time, set system parameter and set NW parameter. NW parameter is a network parameter. So I go to the NW param and press enter. After NW parameter we have found some information like set server IP, set server port, local IP, all those things. So I need to change the server IP, so I can go to the server IP and whatever my server IP I need to set over here. But in this menu I have sent one, like my server IP is a 182.0.72 and 247.210. After completing the IP address typing, there is a 2 pop-up is coming, for 1 for yes and 0 for no. If your IP is typed correctly, then you press 1 for save the setting. So I have saved the setting for press 1. After that you can go to the server port and check it over here, whatever the port is there. If the port is correct, then you need not to do anything. Okay, then come out from the menu. After come out, the device will restart automatically. After restart completed, you can check the server IP, whatever you set, the information is available in the F2 menu. You can for server IP information you need to go to the F2, then password, then set system info, then network setting. From here you can find the server IP. SIP is equal to server IP. So if the IP address is set successfully, so that IP can reflect over here. Thank you.